Okay, quick demonstration of the Autosparx track system we've installed to this RangeRover Evoque 2019 model. You see at the moment on the app, which is optimised for iOS or Android, it shows us the vehicle is idling. Updates roughly every 30 seconds or so, so you can keep an eye on exactly what the vehicle is doing. You can go into history, reporting, see what your vehicle was doing historically, speed, etc. If I switch the vehicle off, simply by pressing the stop start button, and we go back down to the app, and after a few seconds it will come up as ignition off. There we go. Now if I click on the top icon here, you'll see we've got disable vehicle. Click on the disable vehicle command. There we go. Send command. Command sent. So if I go back to the map, I'll try to start the vehicle now. Press the button, foot on the brake. It doesn't start. Okay. So now, in order to activate the or deactivate the immobilisation, go back to enable vehicle and send command. There we go. Command successfully sent. So we can go back to the main page. Still shows us ignition off there. I'll go back up the top here. There we go, engine running. So the vehicle's now unimmobilised. So basically the system gives you the ability to monitor the vehicle from your mobile phone, your smartphone, or any web-enabled device via a login from autosparx.co.uk. It's a no contract, low cost tracking solution. So there's no hefty sort of 3-year term or anything like that. You simply kind of pay as you go, direct debit, and just keep an eye on your vehicle as and when you need to. Keeping it safe, keeping it monitored. There we go, idling at the moment, engine idling. Engine idling. There we go. I shall switch the engine off again, we'll see how quick it responds. So that's engine off. There we go, engine off. And again, simple to immobilise just by using the buttons on the app, just to immobilise your vehicle if need be. Give us a call if you need to discuss this or any other vehicle security solution. We're happy to help. 0330 010 0506 Autosparx.